Hello students, warm welcome to video learning lecture. My name is Aashish Gohel. I will be teaching you the exercise 5.5 differentiation of logarithmic function from NCERT textbook. So let us discuss that what is logarithmic function. We all know that logarithmic function means we write down log x, log y, log a raised to x. This kind of things we are writing. Okay. Now where log is useful? We apply log whenever the power is very high or the number is very small or very large. At that particular time we need to apply log to that number to decrease, and we can calculate that easily. So there is one need of differentiation of this kind of functions also. So for that purpose you need to remember basic properties of logarithmic function, and that is log x plus log y is log x into y, log x minus y is log x divided by y, if plus then multiplication, minus then division. And if any term is given in multiplication over here, then you can keep that term in power. Okay, and you must remember one thing, that there is no formation available for log x plus y. If it is given like this, then there is no formula for this. Okay, so as we are not having any formation like this, so there are two types of questions that will be in this exercise 5.5. First type of question, when we need to apply log and after we differentiate the function. The condition is that the first condition, the function must have many terms in multiplication. Okay, many terms in multiplication. If any function is given with so many terms with multiplication, then instead of using product rule, we can apply log, and after that we can solve that question. Let us take example of this kind of question. Say we are given this. So if I apply product rule over here, then it will be quite lengthy. So better is we can apply log, after that we can use this property, and then we can solve. Another thing, if we will be given some odd power terms with terms in denominator and numerator both, numerator and denominator both. So if we are given some odd power terms in numerator as well as denominator, then we can apply log. Let us take example that if I am given this, so instead of applying chain rule, then product rule, then division rule, just we can apply log, we can use all these properties and we can simplify. Okay, so this two types, and then after this the third one, that is main important, that if you are given x raised to x, or you can say term containing x raised to x, or here function of x. So in short we can say f of x raised to g of x. If base and power both are having terms containing x, then there is compulsion that we need to take log, and after that only we can differentiate the function. Otherwise it is not possible to differentiate any function having x on base as well as power. So let us take one example, and then we will understand that how we can apply all these rules over here. So let us differentiate the function, that is x raised to x. So y is equal to x raised to x. So first thing we will take log both the sides. So log x raised to x. Then according to the property, this x will be in multiplication. Whatever term is in power here, that we can take in multiplication. So log y is equal to x log x. Now we can differentiate. For differentiation, you need to remember that d by dx of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx. So here if I differentiate, then 1 upon y dy by dx. Here we need to apply product rule. Okay. According to product rule, first term as it is differentiation of second term, then plus second term as it is differentiation of first term. So this y will be over here, dy by dx is equal to y x divided by x plus log x. As the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Okay. So now here x will be cancelled, and we were given the question like y is some term containing x. So we will give answer in that format only. So here on right hand side we will write down d by dx x raised to x is equal to x raised to x 1 plus log x. Okay, in place of y I have put this value x raised to x, and dy by dx means d by dx of x raised to x. You can remember this as formation also, because this will be useful and this will come in further questions also. Okay, so hope all of you understand this concept of logarithm, that why we need to take log, when we need to take log. For more videos like this, stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you so much.